We are the Department of Tourism, Caraga Region, that's Region 13. We are found in the northeastern part of the Philippines, northeastern Mindanao. So it is composed of 5 cities and 6 provinces. We have Isabel Norte and Isabel Sur, Surigao del Sur, Surigao del Norte, Dinagat Islands, and 5, that's the 5 provinces I mean. And then the 6 cities, we have Butuan City, Surigao City, Cabanbaran, Bayugan, Trisig, and Tata.
Ano po yung mga pag-tunaling stories o ano po yung pwede nyo i-offer sa atin?
If you will go to Caraga Region, you can visit Siargao. Have you heard of Siargao?
Yes.
Yeah, so that is where Siargao is.
Ano po yung famous namin?
Sa Siargao, we have Cloud9, kung saan ginaganap yung International Surfing Competition. It's an annual competition. Hindi lang yung mga local surfers, but we also have international surfers na bumibisita doon for the parang qualify. Thank you also for visiting our booth and hope to see you soon in Caraga Region.
As a Pagarugan and my conscience.
And we belong po sa Soxorgen, Region 12, and we are from the Cotabato province. We are here to exhibit our destinations and our products. As you can see, the center stage, yan po yung pinagmamalaki natin kasi po. Ito po from Midsayap, yung inon na mga kapatid natin. Yung mga pagkain from Anfras, from Land, from Makilala, yan po yung coffee na nanalo na po yan siya na place na coffee Arabica. Meron tayo dito yung best seller namin is from Lang, Cotabato. Marami yung matatagpuan po din namin sa Majestic Magpet, marami na po. So ano po kayo ang mapapromise sa mga tourists para mabalikan sa balikan po? Isa lang po yung i-assure namin, nag-enjoy po sila sa Cotabato province. Especially kung mahilig kayo sa adventure. At saka yung eco-adventure po, marami po sa amin. Marami kaming falls, marami kaming mga caves, at saka marami din po kaming mga shrines. At saka yung mga tao doon masyado accommodating, hospitable as mga
mata kong ani